Okay, so I'm really hoping that this mac and cheese is like the really good, yummy mac and cheese. So let's taste it. Disappointed. Let's try the coleslaw. Mmm. That's good. What's this?
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork. That's good. The 3-choice combo is enough for 2 people, I think, don't you? Plenty for 2 people. This is the burnt ends. This is what you make at home, right?
The pulled pork is good.
I mean, yours is better, but that's pretty good. What's this?
Brisket.
So out of all the meat, 3 choices of meat, these burnt ends are my favorite. How about you?
They're good. Just
This is good. We might be fighting over this. So, pork side barbecue, what do you give it?
a 10. It's a must do.
It's a must do for me too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.